The Honorable Prime Minister, Madam Bainimarama, on behalf of His Excellency, the Ambassador of the Republic of Fiji, its staff and families, and on behalf of the Friends of Fiji who are present with us tonight, I would like to take this time to acknowledge your presence with us this wonderful evening. On behalf of the Embassy of the Republic of Fiji, we wish to warmly welcome each and every one of you to this welcome reception.
The business community in Beijing, Your Excellencies, the Ambassador and Embassy officials, the Fijian community, Bula Manaka, Ni Hao, and a very good evening to you all. I'm very happy to be in China and especially to be able to spend some time with existing Chinese investors or people thinking of investing in Fiji. We have a wonderful relationship with China, and I'm here to tell you that there are great opportunities to make money in Fiji if you are not already doing so. In fact, the investment climate has never been better. We are having the longest running period of economic growth in our history. For 3 years, we've had annual growth rates of 4% or more. And I'm confident that we will soon crack the 5% mark. So the time to invest in Fiji is now. Don't leave it too long or you risk missing the boat. Take advantage of all the benefits we can offer as a hub of the Pacific and with some of the best investment incentives in the region. We've got the lowest corporate taxes, a flat rate of 20% and even less in some cases. No tax at all for up to 20 years, depending on where you invest and how much. No duty or reduced duty when you bring in plant, machinery or vehicles to start a business, and the list goes on. We are especially keen to attract Chinese investment in the IT industry, in manufacturing such as food processing, shipbuilding, and vehicle manufacturing and construction, renewable energy, and of course, in our biggest industry, tourism. We are getting increasing numbers of Chinese investors to Fiji. In fact, 7 times more Chinese are now holidaying in our country than 5 years ago. And there are great opportunities for Chinese investors to cater for this growing market. So I encourage you all to explore the opportunities that are available either through our investment arm, Investment Fiji, or our diplomats in China. I want to stress that we regard the protection of our environment as our overriding development priority. So whatever investment you consider must be environmentally friendly. We also have a policy of zero tolerance of corruption, and there are harsh penalties in Fiji for bribery and other forms of corruption. We want investors who are honest and balance their commercial interest with the interest of every Fijian. To those of you who are already doing, in the room, who are already doing business in Fiji, I ask you to spread the word about the opportunities that are available at home. And also thank you on behalf of the Fijian people for your own investment in Fiji. We've been great friends with the Chinese people now for 40 years since we established diplomatic relations in 1975. And in my meetings tomorrow and on Thursday with both the President and the Prime Minister, I will be thanking both of them for the support China has given Fiji and suggesting new ways in which we can expand the relationship. Thank you all for coming this evening, and I again encourage those who have not already done so to come to Fiji and ride the boom we are currently experiencing. As I keep saying, this is the best time to invest in Fiji. We are open for business and are keen to do business with you. Nagabagalewu, Seychelles.
with the Minister that it is our plan to open a branch in Fiji.
Third class will happen in September.
And we wanted more information about the land you have in Singatokai, on the land bank.